for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Cow is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-mystery. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. अगर बच्चों आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।